Hello YouTube people, today I'm gonna show you how to change your favorite display or your home display in your Volvo VN between the years 2009 to 2017, or if your truck has this instrument cluster. So let's get started. First you need to look for the wiper switch, which is located on your right hand side, and then you press enter. Then you navigate through the menu, and here you will find out displayed. So let's press enter again, and as you can see, this is black panel. If you want to see your dashboard completely off, you see you can only see the RPMs and the speed. That's it. But we're going to the fiber display setting in here. So in here you can choose between two slots, right? In the manual transmission trucks you have a third slot in the bottom, but this one is automatic, so you can just choose between the two, on the one in the top and the middle one. The bottom one you cannot change it even if you try. So once you're here, you press enter again, and here you can navigate whatever you want to choose. You have the GPS, you have the sweet spot, you have the cruise control and brake control, you have your ambient temperature from outside, you have your oil temperature, you have your voltage, which is showing both of them now, you have your how many gallons left to get empty, you got your mileage per gallon or gallons per hour if your truck is idling, right? You have how many gallons you have been driving in the trip, but this one has never been reset, so it's about 10,000 gallons, so it's funny. And this one the same thing, but this one measures the mileage between trips. You can set this is to set the miles per hour and how many means the average between the two trips. If you want to see all the time the hour and the mileage you have been drive until that hour, this is the hour and the the date. And we have again the GPS. So let's say you want, for example, right now we have in the main display we have this, right? Have this, so we can choose. Let's now go back and let's choose, for example, in the first one we want, let's see, the outside temperature. So now let's choose, you press enter again. Now let's press enter in here, and here we want the mileage to empty, or how many gallons left in your tanks. So let's see. Now let's go back, and as you can see now the display shows how the things you had to choose for your home. When you are driving, this is what you're gonna see all the time. Alright, you cannot change the hour on the side on the transmission selector. That comes by default in all Volvos, so that's the way you can change your favorite display. So it's easy, right? I hope you like the video, and if you want me to explore some more, let me know. And just as a bonus, let's check it out more about the display. So we'll check here you can see the favorite display, but you can do anything at all, right? This is the backlight. Here you can change how bright or dim you want. Alright, we already checked this one. This one is night and date. So that's all the settings you have in the display. I hope you like this video. Please let me know what else you want to know, and I will try to do some more. Thank you. Bye.